Oi, a gente tá aqui em Santa Bárbara, vamos fazer um churrasquinho. E aqui tá o Jun e o Dario. E o Diego foi caçar gravetos, porque a gente tá sem carvão. Olha, ai, e tá um frio. Ei, 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 ei! Not safe, not safe.
You have this on video?
Yeah. They are dangerous.
Hey, yesterday I played soccer. No, where was it? I was on the beach. No, where? I was playing soccer.
Where's my camera?
It's here.
Ah, okay. Hey, I was on the
Kom
playing
even
soccer.
The house is burning.
Then I hit one. I hit one bird with my deodorant.